Nanjing Tengda Machinery Company Limited was established in 2009. Located in Nanjing, Jiangsu Province, is a national high-tech enterprise with the design and manufacture of co-rotating building block parallel twin-screw extrusion equipment and spare parts as the leading products. Marketing network throughout more than 30 provinces and cities, Hong Kong, Macau, and Taiwan. Our products are exported to more than 20 countries and regions all over the world. The company's products include co-rotating twin screw, triple screw and single screw granulator, sheet and plate extruders and other intelligent extrusion equipment. In 2013, the company set up a twin screw technology research and development division with the Automation Research Institute of China North Industries Group and introduced its cutting-edge technology into our civil products to maximize the advantages of military technology. We have obtained ISO 9001 International Quality Management System certification, Europe CE certification, TUV Wireline certification, 31 utility model patents, 6 invention patents. In 2020, the Nanjing Development and Reform Commission awarded us at the establishment of the Nanjing Starch Biodegradable Plastic Molding Equipment Engineering Research Center with the title of Nanjing Gazelle Enterprise. This award represents the recognition by the Municipal Development and Reform Commission of Nanjing Tengda's prosperous and healthy development and its achievements over the years. With the support of new technologies such as big data, cloud computing, and artificial intelligence, Tengda builds a new era intelligent factory. Tengda Company covers a total area of more than 50 acres, creating a smart park integrating research and development, intelligent manufacturing, comprehensive office and living facilities. The manufacturing of gearbox adopts high-precision processing equipment, such as vertical CNC center and horizontal CNC center, and a 3-coordinated intelligent detection system is introduced to ensure product processing quality. Meanwhile, an automated assembly and debugging line is introduced to effectively improve production efficiency and assembly quality. Logistics handling adopts intelligent forklift AGV automatic handling equipment, which saves manpower and improves delivery efficiency. The screw elements processing workshop introduces fully automated high-precision processing machine tools, and the feeding, processing, offline, transfer, etc. between each machine tool all adopt the mode of automatic truss robot to cooperate with machine tool operation. And then the automation coverage rate of the workshop reaches 77%. The finished products are distributed to the intelligent stereoscopic warehouses by AGV. The storage of raw materials and semi-finished product is introduced into the industry's advanced intelligent material stereoscopic warehouses through the roadway tap automatic stacker, and then the storage operation is efficiently completed. Intelligent cargo management makes warehouse management more accurate and efficient. The electrical cabinet assembly line needs to plan 2 production lines according to the needs of production orders, and the key stations use the assembly manipulator to automatically assemble the operation, and the connection between the assembly processes adopts RGV to realize intelligent production. The main extruder assembly workshop adopts the pulse assembly line, and the transportation between the processes adopts the heavy-duty AGV pulse automatic transportation. Effectively balance each process automatic production of main extruder assembly. Configure an intelligent 3-coordinate detection system at key stations on the main line, semi-automatic assembly production line with automatic transfer equipment not only improves production efficiency, but also ensures excellent product quality. After the machine is assembled, it is automatically transported and delivered to the best room by the healthy loaded AGV. The products after test run are automatically transported to the finished product warehouse by heavy load AGV for storage. complete product delivery according to different customer order equipments. The company builds digital management platform, realizes automatic real-time process data collection and monitoring, and improves process control, manufacturing synergy, and refinement management. The company adheres to a tenet of quality first, customer first, reasonable price, timely delivery, always puts the interests of customers first, and serves customers wholeheartedly. Create a well-known brand and set up an industry model. Tengda Machinery.